What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So LG phones have been my devices of choice for filming a lot of content on this YouTube channel. Whether that is going to be the LG G8, the LG V40, the LG G6, or the LG G7. Those devices have been very great in conjunction with Filmic Pro and even with the stock camera app Pro Mode. Those devices have been fantastic for me for filming a lot of content on this YouTube channel. Well, I've been using the Galaxy Note 10s. I have two of them. I'm filming with one right now. And I went to Franklin, Louisiana to the Franklin Fair a couple of days ago. And I took my Galaxy Note 10s and I did some footage. Can the Galaxy Note 10 replace my LG phones? I'm going to show you some footage and a lot of things in between. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you some commentary on some of the pros and cons that I like or dislike with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
That's how I got that heat, let's go.
All right, guys, so I'm out here having a blast of a time, and if you didn't know, I'm filming with the Galaxy Note 10, and I'm using Filmic Pro, and I'm just enjoying myself, being the Oracle. We're walking around, we're eating, we're getting a taste of history. Now we out here just kind of having some fun with some of the rides and everything out here. So yes, we just having a blast of a time. Look, I don't have no young kids, but I'm acting like a kid today. So if you didn't know, just enjoying life, and I'm going to continue to have some fun. So enjoy this footage. Yes, having some fun at the Franklin Fair. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that portion of the video. Let me give you some commentary on the pros and cons of using the Galaxy Note 9 as my primary devices for filming. Now, first thing, you have to use a third-party app like Filmic Pro. The stock camera app is a no-go. It's not even close. So yes, you do have to use a third-party app, whether that's going to be the Moment app or it's going to be Filmic Pro. You have to use a third-party app. That's one thing when you're filming with the Galaxy Note 10. One of the good things that I like about the Galaxy Note 10 is 256 gigs of storage. As you film using Filmic Pro, it takes a lot of space. It's a lot of data that's being filmed when you're using Filmic Pro. I mean, gigs and gigs of footage at a time using Filmic Pro. So having a lot of storage is important. Now, using SD cards is great, but using Filmic Pro, you want to use internal storage. And having like the LG phones, 64 gigs of storage is good, but if you want to do a lot of filming, you got to kind of sideload a lot of that stuff off the device. Okay, now as far as the filming wise, the phone did very well when filming. Now, one of the things that I did notice using Filmic Pro in conjunction with the Galaxy devices that you will not have optical image stabilization. So as I filmed a lot of my footage, and I do this all the time, I use a gimbal. So using a third-party app, you have to use some type of stabilization via gimbal or something like that when filming with the device, because unfortunately, I don't think Samsung give permission to the APIs for the stabilization to work with Filmic Pro. Again, the stock camera app is a no-go, so you have to use a third-party app using the Galaxy Note. I mean, listen, it is what it is. So my conclusion is, can the Galaxy Note 10 Plus replace my LG devices of choice? I really do think it can. I like the color science that's coming out of this device, right? And yes, you can use, flux packs and lux packs and stuff like that to do color grading and stuff like that, because I've been shooting log. But I think that the Galaxy Note can pull it off. I got further testing to do, but you be the judge for yourself. I think that the Galaxy Note can replace my LG phones. I never thought I'd say today that as much as I've been an advocate of LG phones and the quad decks and everything in between, I think that the Galaxy Note 10 is an overall versatile device. Not only that, but I can edit the entire video on the Samsung Rush app, which is fantastic. I can use the S Pen to make my thumbnails, which is fantastic. I can film the entire video using my Galaxy Note, which is fantastic. So using Filmic Pro and everything in between, I think that this may be a win. Let me know down in the comments what you think. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus camera. Now, it's about the software. Listen, One UI cameras suck. The stock camera app is a no-go. If I had to choose between the stock camera app on One UI, which is on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and the Pro mode using the LG devices, I would go with LG all day, because the stock camera app on LG phones is miles ahead on the Galaxy devices. But using third-party apps like Filmic Pro, I like Filmic Pro on my Galaxy Note. The color science is perfect. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.